Hey guys, Ben Graham here, your local leader and real estate agent. I'm bringing you a topic that is near and dear to the real estate industry. It's talking about home warranties. We're going to head inside one of the properties I'm selling and talk to Camille Johnson, who represents OneGuard Home Warranty, about what her company has to offer and why you should buy a home warranty, whether you are buying a home or even selling a home. That's right, they have a guaranteed program that you should listen in on. So let's head on inside and see what Camille has to offer.
In the kitchen, the most used room in the house. Just looking in this room, I'll tell you what's going to be covered by the home warranty. Your dishwasher, your garbage disposal, your faucets, your range oven cooktop, your microwave, your fridge. These can all be very costly repairs. Refrigerators alone, we cover up to $2,500 a year. Your dishwasher is actually the second most common item we replace every year at OneGuard.
Wow. So question for you, Camille. You said $2,500. Is that dollars, or you replace 2,500 refrigerators?
$2,500.
Awesome. That's a nice fridge.
Oh, we replace a lot more than 2,500 fridges.
Okay. Awesome. Let's head to another room in the house.
Okay. Now we are in the garage, standing in front of the water heater. Water heater is a lot more expensive for replacement than most people think. In our minds, we somehow think it's still $400 or $500. It's easily $900 to $1,000 to replace a water heater and to do the installation. In Arizona, our water is very hard. It causes a lot of rust and sediment inside our water heaters. So that's why you have about a 5-year lifespan at the most, which again, you have a home warranty and it covers the cost of that water heater and replacement.
Standing in front of an AC unit, which of course you know here in Arizona, it's the most expensive repair that any of us have as homeowners. So OneGuard Home Warranties is such a good purchase every year because it's going to save you thousands of dollars if you have any kind of breakdown with your AC unit. If a home is built prior to 2010, it has what is called an R22 unit, and it uses Freon as a refrigerant. This is now being phased out. They're no longer producing R22. So we're replacing what you're seeing here with a 410A, which is the new kind of refrigerant. OneGuard does cover R22 at no cost. So if we just need to add refrigerant, you're not out $100 a pound, we do cover it. And if we do have to replace the unit, we are going to replace with the latest and greatest, which is the 410A.
Obviously, we know having a home warranty is going to save us a lot of money on our typical out-of-pocket expenses for being a homeowner. If you didn't get a warranty when you purchased your home, it's never too late. OneGuard offers plans for first-year buyers, for sellers, or for homeowners on their existing home. I know for myself, on my own home, I've saved thousands every year, literally, and it's well worth the $400 to $700 you pay as a yearly expense.
Great. Thanks for your time, Camille.
You're welcome.
We just had a great tour of the home, talking about a few of the reasons why, whether you're buying or selling, that you could buy a home warranty to help protect your investment against, the AC going out, the water heater leaking, the garbage disposal. For a low trip charge, you can get those items repaired. It's a really good idea, especially in year one of home ownership, since you spent a lot of money on the down payment, closing cost kind of thing. The last thing you'd want is for the AC to break and then you get stuck with that bill. So for sure, year one, make sure to buy it. And if you're selling, it's a great thing to pre-purchase because most buyers are going to ask for it anyway. And then that way you can ensure that your property is good to go. Take care.